Welcome to Techie channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the download location in your Google Chrome browser. Now, the first thing that you have to do is open up your Chrome browser and then click on the three dots from the top right corner. Now in here, from the bottom, click on settings. Now from the left, scroll down a bit and then click on downloads. Now here, the first option you can see is location. Now from here, all you need to do is just click on change. Now right now the download folder location is in C drive and I'm going to move it to D drive. So I'll just select the documents or D drive, and in here we are going to create a new folder. So just right click and then go to new folder and then give it a name. Now just select it and then click on select folder and we are done. And that is how you can change the download folder location of your Chrome browser in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.